how much money did I make in my first year of having my own recruitment company. I'm going to go through the bank statements, I'm going to go through month to month, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how much I made. But let's get right into it because I don't want to keep you guys waiting too long. Now, obviously, you guys can see here in October, I had no transactions this month, and the reason I didn't, that's because that's basically when I started. So November, we had the 399, 383, 189, 80 pound and 63 pound. My first month, we made 1,104 pound. First month, alhamdulillah. I promise you, I was very happy when that first amount, 63 pound, came in. I'm not gonna lie, man, I was over the moon, but alhamdulillah. Make sure you guys are writing alhamdulillah in the comments. Month to December, how much is coming in? 1,125, 336, 551, 979, 369. And was there more money that came in? I don't think there was that month. So that's how much came in December, which was 3,360 pound. Let's go on to January. This first 150 pound and the 58 pound, by the way, for some reason, it wasn't actually a client. Now, I could have pretended like it was, but it wasn't. And so this was actually coming back from Asda. I think I did a refund. I don't know what it was. But anyway, the 1994 was from clients. 500 pound, 1,065. Oh, hang on. I went way too quick there. 668. This 500 was also not from clients. It was actually from a rental company. And so that's not included. But that takes us up to 3,877. February, we're looking at 2,257, 3,240, 2,757, 1,858. Do we need to load more? And 1,176. That month in February, alhamdulillah, I made 11,288 pounds. Again, alhamdulillah, so much. And I really want you guys to take this not as I'm boasting, but more like, if I can do it, so can you guys. And this is just me being as honest as I can with you. You know what I mean? And so I really hope you guys can take this in. Much. We're looking at 2,835, 624, 2,448, 2,203, 665 was, by the way, from a rental company. That was a deposit return back. That don't count. 1,957 and 1,974. Again, that month we made 11,417 pound. Alhamdulillah. Like, honestly, I can't be thankful enough to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for that blessing. Now, 1,093 in April, 2,179, 2,515, 250, 2,425. That 100 pound was not money coming in. 2,676 was 10,888. May, which is 1,944, 2004, 1,400, 222 pound was not money that came in. 2,136, 4,230, 1,958. That wasn't money that came in. 2003, 6,705. This was all the money that came in. So on that basis, we made in that month, May, 22,380 pounds. Alhamdulillah, this was one of the biggest months, and there are some more months coming. But the point I do want to address to you guys is, just because you're seeing these big numbers, and alhamdulillah, it does look very nice, I promise you one thing, my brothers and sisters, a lot of hard work went into these amounts. A lot of hard work was behind this, and it wasn't just as easy. And I don't want you guys to think this is just get rich quick, basically, because it's not. It is actually difficult as well. As long as you know how to, and as long as you put your work into it, then of course you can do all right, basically. So in June, we had 1,077 come in, 3,456, 1,042, 1,354, 1,120, 3,000. I think that was all. So for that month, we made another £11,000. 11,049. I think that's what I've got down. By the way, I might be a little bit off on some of these numbers, but more than happy for you to go do the workouts yourself. I probably did get some mistakes, but work it out yourself. I am most probably as close as I can get to it. I do want to take this time out to tell you that I did obviously get my recruitment course out, which many of you guys know about. I've left the link in the description below. This, by the way, course took me a long time to do. It's a very long course, very in-depth. It's like 15 hours long. Alhamdulillah, we've had some very good feedback. And this is more to show you guys it is possible. And it's more to give you guys an idea of what is attainable. Now, I did have past experience. Obviously, I had clients before that were happy to work with me. But the point is these are realistic numbers. And we're going to continue going through more and more of those. But I just want to say at this point, just because you're going to do the recruitment course doesn't mean you're now going to magically start making the numbers. As long as you work hard, you can. As long as you have the knowledge, the information, and then you work hard, you can. But you do have to work hard. This isn't a get rich quick. This isn't some crazy thing. I just want to let you guys know, work hard with the knowledge and it's possible. But in July, we have the 4,050 come in, 2,094, 936, 1,088, 1,552, 3,690, 1,400, 1,773, 1,377, and the 936, which were that month, £19,696. Again, alhamdulillah, nearly £20,000 that month again. And these again are basically numbers that you guys can see yourself. I'm not trying to exaggerate anything here at the moment. The 270, by the way, wasn't money that came in. That was just an account I sent money in from, basically. So 1537, 936, 1756, 976, 1518, 1742. I think I missed an amount. If I did, you can go back. But at that month, I basically made 8,465. And we are on September, which basically is 15,452. You guys can see the money's coming in. I would just let you guys work it out yourself. 14,803 is what we made, alhamdulillah, for October. So in the year, we basically made, but before I tell you the exact amount, understand this is my brothers, but I do want to say that all this amount wasn't the profit. So I have to now take away from the larger amount, I have to take away VAT from that, because obviously 20% would have been VAT on that amount. So I would take away VAT. And also I had another person who was helping me, who was on a commission basis basically, and that person made close to £20,000 in the year for himself. And so again, I could pretend and say, oh guys, look, this is actually how much I made. But we be as honest and transparent as we can. The point though being is, this was my first year, alhamdulillah. So take away the 20 grand, take away the 20 grand. We will work it out. Now, all these numbers, by the way, added up to £133,789. Take away £40,000. And we're basically left with 93,000 or 94,000. You can round it up. Why not? Point being, that's nearly 6 figures, alhamdulillah. Again, first year of recruitment, you know, we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, make that out for me, and make sure whatever money that is made, you don't think and spend it for yourself, you spend it for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as well, because that's the key. It's not just for ourselves, to help our families, to give back to charity, and do as much as we can. Remember to say Allahumma barik. Inshallah, this video was to benefit. Remember, link in the description below for the recruitment course. Barakallahu feek. That's it for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.